Here I have OnePlus Ace 3, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer contacts from SIM card to this device. So firstly you should go to contacts. So we switch from like email to SIM card. Then you go to Fix and Manage, select Manage SIM, then select Save where you want to save your contacts from your SIM to our device, in our case. So here you can select which contacts you want to transfer. Then you just tap Import, and after that these contacts will appear on your device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.